find jobs in LinkedIn, and also we are going to discuss about lot of machine learning engineering jobs that are available in LinkedIn. So let's jump into our video. So as soon as you open the LinkedIn, you would be able to find a search bar like search for something. Then you need to enter machine learning and you need to select jobs over there, and location would be set to India. Then this is how it looks. I'll try to zoom. So let's discuss about couple of jobs and their salaries and what kind of roles they are expecting. So first company is Amazon. Amazon is hiring for machine learning engineer 3. So let's see what kind of profile they are looking for. So these people need a person with 4+ years of professional software development experience, 3+ years of programming experience with at least one modern language such as Java, C++, C#, including OOP concepts, 2+ year experience contributing in architecture and design, the bachelor MS computer science or equivalent experience. So preferred qualifications would be excellent verbal and written communication skills, experience or interest in machine learning, experience building high performance production services, experience with backend development. Let's see some sort of things above. So key responsibilities would be running A by B experiments to improve quality. Yeah, I see a lot of things, but I don't think this role is something related to the machine learning. But it's good for software developers who wants to make their career into machine learning. So let's find another job. This job is in a company called Accenture in India. So these people are hiring for Python program language application. So let's open the job. Let's see what kind of things they are expecting. So the role would be application developer, and the work experience needed should be 4 to 6 years. Work location must be Gurugram, and let's see what else they have. So the technical experience, they are looking for a Python programming language, experience in data science projects, AI and ML, Angular, Node.js, Express.js, Nest.js, D3.js, Neo4j or Redis graph or any other GraphDB relational database, HTML, CSS3, knowledge of SVG, Canvas, JavaScript, proficiency in creation of unit testing, Angular, Karma, Jasmine, Mocha, Chai, Jest framework. Looks like these people need entire IT department, and the education qualification is CSC or equivalent, and 15 years of full-time education. So for Amazon, I think the standard salary that I would recommend would be more than 40 LPA because it's a level 3 position, if I'm not wrong. And for this Accenture role, I would recommend more than 20 plus. Let's find another job. So next job is in a company called ZS. This is I believe this is a service company. So these people are hiring for engineering specialist, machine learning engineer. So these people are looking for at least 5+ years of relevant hands-on experience in deploying and productionizing ML models, expertise design flowing in ML platforms like SageMaker, MLflow, Kubeflow, and other platforms. Also, you need to have skills on Apache, Kafka, MQ, AWS, and you need to have some knowledge on PySpark, Python or Java, Scala, programming basics, data structures, and you should have some sort of cloud skills like AWS, Azure or GCP, and CI/CD pipeline skills. So even for this role, they are expecting a lot of technical skills from you guys if you want to apply. And then this job is usually based out of Bangalore. These people mention entry level, but these people need 5+ years of experience. So my standard salary recommendation for this role would be more than 35 LPA. Depending upon your skills, you might get more as well. And let's jump into next job. Next job is in a company called RealPage. This company is based out of Hyderabad. These people are hiring for data scientist level 2 position. And let's scroll down and see what exactly these people need. So these people need at least 3 to 5 years of experience, guys, uh, with building machine learning models, familiar with machine learning algorithms, including but not related to regression, neural networks, k-means, and others, proficient programming Python and R with data science packages, and proficient in real relational databases like SQL, NoSQL, Kafka, and more skills. So also coming to preferred knowledge, these people having high priority on master's degree. You should have also some sort of knowledge in Tableau. It's a data visualization tool, and you should be familiar with deep learning algorithms, frameworks, Burn, XLNet, TensorFlow, etc. Let's see what else. Yep. So most common application skills are this: Python programming, SQL, Java, R programming, CI, C++, TensorFlow, NLP, machine learning. So let's see. Already 35 people applied for this role, and yeah, that's it. Nothing more to discuss about this company. And let's jump into another job. Another company is the job is social from job board. I'm not going to share. So another company is data engineer 3 level 3 position. This job is based out of Bangalore. So let's see what kind of person they are looking for. So these people are looking for a person with 6+ years of experience in delivering data solutions, 4+ years experience building cloud BI solutions using AWS, Azure as data lake and backend sources, and expert in SQL queries. DevOps, DataOps, and DevSec practices should be needed. Python programming and Databricks preferable. Strong passion to learn Databricks and Python programming, and excellent prioritization and program problem solving skills. So these are some sort of skills they need, and this is their company size and the employees. Yeah, nothing more to discuss about this company. And I would like to share some interesting job here with you. So this job falls under technical support department in data engineering in a company called Databricks. This position is based out of Bangalore, and if you can scroll down, you'll get to know a lot of things what exactly these people are looking. These people need at least 5 years of experience in building, testing, and maintaining Python, Java, Scala based application. Expert level knowledge in Python is desired. Solid experience in SQL, strong Linux or Unix administration skills, hands-on experience on AWS or Azure, 2-year experience of Hadoop or Spark. And yeah, guys, these are some sort of skills these people are looking. So yeah, okay, most common skills are SQL, Spring Framework, Java, JavaScript, backend development, Django, Spring, MVC. These are some sort of skills these people need. And my standard salary recommendation for this role is more than 35 LPA. So this company also pays. So if you are going to search, there are more than 672 active jobs, guys. You can search and see some sort of companies like Kativa AgriScience is hiring in Hyderabad for machine learning engineer 2 positions, if I'm not wrong. And ServiceNow is hiring. Databricks is hiring for associate level as well. Cognizant hiring, UST hiring, Research Trellix companies hiring. Lot of companies are hiring, guys. Now it's up to you if you want to apply or not. So that's it for this video, guys. I want to share what are the machine learning jobs available this week and how to apply for the jobs. Just you need to click on apply for everywhere and it will redirect you to the career website. Then you need to create your profile if the profile is not created, and you should upload your resume and you need to apply for the jobs. That's it, guys. And also I wanted to add something in this video. What would be the salary range for machine learning jobs? So whenever you go for machine learning search, go to the Glassdoor and search for machine learning engineers. So the basic or average salary is 9,45,000, guys, which is cool, I would say. And let's see some more things on some companies who who are paying salaries. Quantify is a company paying 8,86,000, TCS paying 5,44,000, Amazon paying 4,56,000. Is it true? Not sure. Accenture is hiring for 8,71,000. Google is hiring for 12,93,000 a year. I don't know how many are genuine or fake, but this Glassdoor will analyze and let's us show the data. Matchstreet 11 lakh 48,000, Microsoft 17 lakh 15,000, FactSet is 17 lakh 14,000, Phenomenon 20 lakh 22,000. Yes, scroll down, and MTX Group is highest paying 35 lakh 40,000. And Qualcomm is hiring for 16 lakh 17,000. So in this way you can search for the salaries in the Glassdoor, and you can search for the jobs in LinkedIn. Also you can also search for jobs in Glassdoor, but I strongly don't recommend that, but it's up to you. And that's it for the video, guys, and I believe you like this video. Please do share this video with job seekers who are looking for the jobs. And if you have any questions or if you need any advices or jobs, comment in the comment section under the video, and let's catch on next video. Thank you guys, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.